Ivy with WTI, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about my small car trash can. After using this trash can for quite some time, I can say that it is super convenient and practical. It comes in a variety of colors to match the interior of your car, but I specifically chose black. It has this clamshell design that I absolutely love because it makes it super easy to open up the trash can, and then all you have to do is flip it over and dispose of all the trash. As you can see, it can hold a lot of stuff. And now that you've disposed of the trash, you can very easily hook it back onto the holder inside of your car, thanks to this little clasp hook in the back of the trash can. As you can see, once I'm done, all I have to do is hook it right back on, and then the trash can is ready to be used again. Thanks to this little trash can, I've been able to keep my car super neat and clean. There are no receipts or wrappers anywhere, and who doesn't appreciate a clean car? So I think this is a purchase that's great for anyone. I absolutely love this trash can and I highly recommend it, but that's just my point of view.